Hey everybody, it's Spidey Steve here, back with another exciting video. In my last video, I created 6 custom LEGO minifigures from the Hermitcraft series, and you all loved it. Thanks for the support. As I promised, today I'm fulfilling the promise by bringing you 6 more awesome Hermitcraft minifigures, so let's dive in. Before we get started, if you want to see how I make these custom minifigures in depth, be sure to check out some of my other videos. I'll give you a brief overview of my process here, but for a full tutorial, I recommend checking out my Lizard and Doctor Who custom minifigure videos, although they may be slightly outdated. To create these figures, I use my tried and true method of printing stickers at 1200 dpi on regular printer paper, covering them in tape and cutting them out and gluing them to the minifigures. As always, I'll include a link to the free PDF in the description so you can download these stickers and make your own minifigures. Just a quick note, you might need to trim the pieces just a bit to fit your individual minifigures. Last time we made Impulse, but we couldn't leave him alone. Meet his best friend Skizzleman. I'm really pleased with Skizz's face print that I designed. His torn sleeves look fantastic with the plain nougat arms, and the black legs tie everything together nicely. For his torso, I reused the Mumbo Jumbo design from last time, although I think it works perfectly. Next up, we have Tango Tech. I'm thrilled how his torso print turned out. I used dark red arms, nougat hands, and plain black legs. Plus, I designed a custom face print that I think captures his character really well. Now let's talk about Scar. I have to admit his face print was a bit tricky, and while it might not be perfect, I'm proud of the torso print, which is quite accurate. I used dual molded legs from Dystopian Wild Style from the LEGO Movie 2 to finish him off, and even though his face print isn't perfect, I really do think it works quite well. Next up is Rindog. I don't watch him much, but when I do, it's always a blast. His torso print is simple but effective, and I really enjoyed designing his glasses and beard on a standard brown LEGO Minecraft minifigure head. Here we have Pearlescent Moon. I was surprised to find that she has a different skin designed for Hermitcraft, as I normally watch her on the Life series. I chose her classic look because it made her more recognizable as opposed to the mail carrier look from Hermitcraft Season 10. I used legs from a hidden side minifigure to match her jeans. Even though they're not jean shorts, I think it turned out well. Last but not least, we have Exuma. The fun part, LEGO has actually made a minifigure that resembles him quite nicely. You can find this figure in the Axolotl house set or the LEGO Minecraft Build Ideas book, both of which are quite affordable, and I think this is a really fun inclusion just to see how closely LEGO resembles some of these YouTubers. That wraps up today's showcase. I hope you enjoyed these new Hermitcraft minifigures as much as I enjoyed making them. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for some fun content. If this video gets 10 new subscribers, I'll create another set of 6 minifigures. I've got some great ideas lined up, and I think the 12 of these will look fantastic. Also, if you subscribe, you'll help me beat my friends to 1,000 subscribers. We're currently losing, so come on guys, help me out. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Spidey Steve, out.